Are the rising interest rates and the renewal of your mortgage stressing you out? Wondering what you can do if you find your mortgage rate is too high upon the renewal date? Are you dreading the thought of paying higher mortgage rates upon your renewal? Are you struggling to keep up with your mortgage payments? Are you feeling a little overwhelmed? Well, you're not alone. The good news is you can take several actions to control the situation, lower your monthly costs, save you money, and reduce your stress. Sound helpful? Well, then this video is for you. With the rapid rise of interest rates over the past year by the Bank of Canada as they tried to curb inflation, we saw many homeowners who were at a variable rate and who are now coming up on their mortgage renewal and are also now facing higher mortgage rates, which means higher monthly payments. This combination can make it challenging for homeowners to keep up with their payments. The situation they find themselves in unfortunately causes a lot of financial stress. If you're like most homeowners, your mortgage is one of the biggest expenses you have, and when it comes time to renew your mortgage, you want to make sure that you're getting the best mortgage renewal rate possible. Unfortunately, sometimes circumstances change and your mortgage rate may end up being higher than what you expected and what you can comfortably afford. But don't panic. There are several options available to you that can help you lower your mortgage rate and or lower your monthly payments, which in turn will alleviate some of this stress. In today's video, we'll reveal some little known secrets that can help you renegotiate your mortgage. We'll explore some of the most effective strategies that you can use to reduce your mortgage payments, negotiate with your lender, and even refinance your mortgage to get a better rate and or a lower monthly payment. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what options and steps you can take to regain control of your finances and reduce the burden of higher mortgage rates. So whether you are a first-time homebuyer, a seasoned homeowner, or an investor facing higher mortgage rates or a renewal, or payments that you're struggling with, or you know someone in this situation, then this is the video for you. So grab a pen and a paper and a coffee and let's dive in. Have you got your paper and pen ready? Let's go. 8 tips to renew your mortgage or refinance. Number 1, shop around for a competitive rate. Contact multiple lenders, including your current lender, to see what they can offer you. Compare the rates and the terms and negotiate with them to get the best possible deal. Number 2, consider using a mortgage broker. When shopping rates, the financial institutions will need to pull a credit bureau. Having several credit pulls will affect your overall credit rating, so if this is a route that you're looking to take, you may want to deal with a mortgage broker who can pull one credit bureau and then shop and negotiate on your behalf to get you the best possible rates and terms. They can also help you understand the conditions of your mortgage and provide advice on your options. It's always best to consult with a professional. Number 3, you can ask your financial institution if they can extend the mortgage renewal date by 3 to 6 months. Rates have risen steadily over the past year, and many believe that we are at or close to the peak. So if you can get an extension on the mortgage renewal date, you may be fortunate enough to land within a period of lower interest rates when you go to actually renew than what is currently available today. But note that no one knows for certain what will happen in the future. So in this instance, we are hoping for lower rates in the next 3 to 6 month postponed renewal period, but that cannot be guaranteed. So it is a chance that we are taking. Number 4, you can ask to extend your amortization period. If you currently have a shortened amortization period of say 15 or 20 years, you can request a 25 or 30-year amortization period, which will lower your monthly payments. Extending your mortgage term can lower your monthly payments, but it may also increase the overall cost of your mortgage. This is a good option if you need to reduce your monthly payments, but it's important to understand the long-term implications. Number 5, if you have a cash flow issue, you may be able to move into a line of credit. By moving into a line of credit, you can access some extra funds and you can use these to pay your mortgage payments, and you would only have to pay the interest on the line of credit. So this really is only a short-term fix for a short-term cash flow problem. When buying a home, it would be helpful to know what your home buying power is. Check out my video, What is Home Buying Power, to learn more. I'll also put a link in the comments below. Number 6, you can take out some of the equity in your your home, or you can refinance to a lower mortgage payment. Again, this is a short-term fix because you still have to pay back the debt, which will now be higher. This solution works well if you are expecting some money in the form of a bonus, a tax refund, or an inheritance, a large sum payment. You can use those funds to pay back the equity loan. You need to have an exit strategy. We don't want to be using our homes and the equity that they have built up as an ATM machine. So be responsible with your home equity. It is your nest egg. Number 7, pay down your mortgage. If you have extra funds, consider using them to pay down your mortgage. This can reduce the overall amount of interest you'll pay and potentially lower your mortgage rate at the renewal date. Number 8, liquidate. If you feel that the entire situation is too much for you to handle, you can always liquidate your assets. You likely have equity built up within your property, so don't just walk away and stop paying your payments. Speak to your lender, let them know that you have decided to liquidate your asset and sell the property. With the proceeds of sale, you can pay off your debt and hopefully have a little left over. If you are having trouble making payments, talk to your lender. Try to make some kind of interim arrangement. This route will give you some time to sell. It will also likely save your credit rating, reduce your stress, and hopefully you will have some funds left over to move on to a new chapter in life. I have seen where people just stop paying their payments. Not a good idea. Instead, use these options and put yourself in a better financial and stronger financial position. So there you have it. 8 tips to help you renew or refinance your mortgage. The good news is that there are strategies that you can potentially use to help you deal with the higher mortgage rates. By taking these steps, you can potentially lower your mortgage rate, save money on your monthly payments, thereby increasing your monthly cash flow and giving you some breathing room. These are some of the ideas that you can implement. I would strongly suggest that you reach out to your lender or mortgage broker. They will know your particular situation on a deeper level, and they will be better able to give you the best advice and options for your particular situation. Hopefully this video gave you some ideas, hope, and a better understanding of what you can do to actively take charge of your circumstances, reduce your mortgage payments, and make things more manageable. Lenders don't want you to go into default, so reach out to them and try to negotiate a win-win outcome for the both of you. You may be interested in checking out my other video titled Mortgage Options, which will provide you with some additional resources. I'll put the link in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button to be notified of new informative videos that we publish each and every Tuesday. Do you have a topic that you would like me to cover on a future episode? I'd love to hear from you. Comment below or DM me. If you have any questions or would like a referral to a great lender, you can reach me direct at 905-965-5902. My name is Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty Team, and I'm here to help.